What if you could travel billions of kilometers across the universe in just a few minutes? That's exactly what I did without leaving my living room, and what I saw genuinely blew my mind. This app is called Cosmic XR, and it's available on the Meta Quest 3 and 3S. It is one of the coolest VR experiences I've tried because it doesn't just show you space, it actually makes you feel like you're exploring it. Welcome to the show GV Tech. I'm G Vader. Join me as I explore the cosmos in mixed reality. So without further ado, let's jump right in. One of the first things I explored is the massive black hole Sagittarius A at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Seeing something like this in VR is honestly difficult to describe. We've all seen images of black holes online, especially famous images captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, but seeing one at this scale makes you appreciate just how massive these objects really are. The scary part is that this isn't science fiction. Black holes are real, and their gravity is so powerful that even light cannot escape once it passes the event horizon. From there, I went on to take a closer look at stars and our very own sun and the solar system. It's easy to forget just how small Earth is when you're standing on it every day. The sun looks like a huge ball in the sky, but compared to other stars out there, it's actually pretty average, I dare say minuscule. VR gives you something traditional screens can't really provide. It gives you scale. There's something strangely peaceful about seeing our planet floating in space. No borders, no noise, just this tiny blue planet surrounded by darkness. You can explore different planets, compare their sizes, and get a better understanding of just how unique Earth really is. It's one thing reading about planets in a textbook, but standing next to them in VR gives you a completely different perspective. Holding them in your hands, scaling them, spinning them around is a completely different story and experience. You can move around the solar system, look at planets up close, and really understand the distance between them. The biggest challenge with explaining space is that the numbers are almost impossible to imagine. Millions of kilometers, planets that are hundreds of times larger than Earth, and distances so huge that spacecrafts can take years to reach their destination. VR makes these numbers feel a little more real. With this experience, you can zoom out even further, showing just how enormous the universe really is. And this is the part that really puts things into perspective. Our solar system is just one tiny corner of the Milky Way, and the Milky Way itself is just one galaxy among billions. It's moments like this where technology becomes more than just entertainment. It becomes a tool for learning and experiencing things we would never see normally. You also get a chance to interact more directly with space objects. Instead of just looking at planets and stars, you get the feeling of what it would be like to actually be around spacecraft and technology designed for space exploration. Now, this is where VR really gets interesting. Instead of watching a documentary about space, you're actually inside the environment, looking around and interacting with objects yourself. It gives you a small sense of what astronauts experience. Experiences like this are why I think VR has so much potential. It's not just about gaming anymore. It can take you places, teach you things, and help you understand concepts that are almost impossible to visualize. Obviously, this won't replace real space exploration, but until we can actually travel beyond Earth, this might be the closest most of us will ever get. Would you try exploring space in VR? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Join me next time as I explore some fantastic locations in VR on our planet. Until next time, be good.